Alrighty, here go the front entrance. Alright, first we're gonna take a look at the these are the window areas. See the areas. I guess we're gonna have seats right here. The first outlet. Boom. I wanna say 20 inches off. And the seating, back up. The seating. Side of the wall. There's no outlets on this floor, but coming around, backing up, we have a floor outlet right here. There's a double. No outlets on this corner, but right there on the exact other side. The other one, just on the other side of the other window area. Okay. These are only three outlets in the dining area. So we're gonna go to the middle room, the middle area. Walking through the middle area, from right to left, we have one outlet on that wall. I wonder if we have any in the cabinets. None in the cabinets. None in the cabinets. That's the only outlet on that wall. Coming around. On these shops, we have outlets back there on every station, which is going to be removed. So we got outlets. And we have one on this wall. That's the only one. Yeah. Okay. Spring system. Ventilation pattern. Return. And 4 vents. In this dining room area, the middle area, we got a vent right here and a vent down there with a return in that corner. The only return. Coming in the area. Let's see where we got a vent in the bathroom. No light. Guess the light's off in here. Guess the light's off in here. Find a breaker. If we can find it. Here we go. And we got life. This area. Got one vent and return right there. Looking in the, I guess we got good focus on this panel box coming through this transformer. One quick second. No, hold on.
I can take a still shot of that.
Okay, you can take one other. This is now. Hey Bill, how's it going? I'm recording pretty good. I'm sitting here trying to record your shot. Didn't bring my ladder. See if I can see if I want to step on something so I could get you a ventilation.
They have that.
What you call it, but I can almost identify what we got. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, sir.